Right when the baby bird's mom and dad flew off to find food, the sneaky leopard showed up quietly right near their nest. The poor parents had no idea what danger was waiting behind them. Inside the nest, the baby bird was all alone, scared, frozen, hiding in the corner. It could sense something was wrong. Suddenly, the leopard shoved its head halfway inside the nest, trying to grab the little chick, but the baby bird kept scooting back, trembling with fear. The leopard just wouldn't give up. It kept poking and sniffing around, and finally, it reached far enough to grab the helpless baby. Then it walked away, just like that. Mom and Dad returned minutes later, but their baby was gone. They screamed, flapped their wings, but it was too late. If this broke your heart too, drop a like for this heartbroken bird family.